Hi, Daniel Parsons. A real quick review of the Vital Health V Daily dietary supplement that also has minerals, enzymes, and pre-probiotic. Quite an incredible amount. You just put one scoop and you get in one package, you get a month's supply for one person. So all your supplement facts are there. So on the label, there's no claims, and I never make any claims whatsoever that any of the Vital Health products do anything. You have to just try the products for yourself and experience what kind of wellness results you get. So I just want to quickly just shake this up right here. Okay. And the taste is wonderful. It's a lemon natural flavor. And I like that taste. And so I will be putting some information up on brainhealthincome.com. It'll take me a little while to get all the products up there because Rome wasn't built in one day. I just learned about this company. The founder of this company, the movement was started from a naturopathic doctor with a clinic down in Hermosillo, Mexico. And he has a 6 months waiting list because the products that he offers give people some benefits. That's why when people start hearing about it and word of mouth happens, that's what is the success. So, like I said, these products don't treat, cure, prevent, diagnose, or any disease or illness. Please consult with your healthcare professionals when you're using food supplements. And here's one last comment that I have, my own personal experience. I'm in my last part of my middle 60s now. I've been in the natural wellness field for 20 years now. And I had chronic liver problem diagnosed in 1999. And I'm still running around on the earth vibrantly. I'm at my ideal target weight for since 2000, and I am still alive because of the natural wellness industry. Bye for now.